Hello friends. Now recently it has come in news the centre is likely to bring a bill in the winter session of Parliament to bar all cryptocurrencies in India, barring a few exceptions, and create a framework to regulate digital currency issued by the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI. Now to start with, let's see what is a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency or crypto is a collection of binary data which is designed to work as a medium of exchange. Individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger which is computerized database using strong cryptography to secure transaction records or to control the creation of additional coins and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. Bitcoin first released an open source software in 2009 in its first decentralized cryptocurrency. Since the release of Bitcoin, many other cryptocurrencies have been created. Initially, we used to get the Bitcoin while playing the computer games, and it was used to buy the additional accessory for the game's character. Now slowly it has come in the play, and now it is a widely accepted cryptocurrency. Indian crypto investors resorted to panic selling after the government listed a bill on 23rd night seeking to ban private cryptocurrencies while allowing an official digital currency released by RBI. Cryptocurrency prices in India linked to rupee market has already crashed by 20%, and yesterday it has started recovering after exchanges allied investors fear. On 23rd night we saw huge selling in rupee, that is INR crypto market on WazirX, and there was a crash of 15 to 20% in price in the crypto because of panic selling. Now since yesterday the market is showing a recovery, and 3 to 4% of the recovery has been already done. This was a needed reaction due to the new bill which was being disclosed. Now a lot of fear has been seen among Indian crypto investors, especially the ones who entered recently. However, the people were advised that they should wait for the winter session and derive the conclusions based on its bill after the fine details are out. The price of Bitcoin, the larger cryptocurrency, was down 10% against the rupee at 40 lakhs on Wednesday. Now cryptocurrency exchange founders on Wednesday has already assured the investors that their digital assets are secure, even as they welcome the proposed bill to regulate vital cryptocurrencies. The government has announced the positive step since a well-defined framework was not there to help the cryptocurrencies, and this bill will regulate the cryptocurrencies. Now we need to understand that there is a lot of speculation around the term private cryptocurrencies, which will be put to rest once the fine print of bill is out. The bill, which reportedly seeks to safeguard small investors by treating cryptocurrency a financial asset, has major ramification for the industry that has remained unregulated so far. It is set to be introduced by government in upcoming winter session of Parliament. The description of the bill showed that aim is to prohibit all private cryptocurrencies except certain exception to promote the underlying technology of cryptocurrency and uses. Now it is already there in the news that government may not completely ban it, because in the previously some time ago the government has already said that cryptocurrency, we have to live with it, but it need to be regulated. The bill may stipulate a minimum amount for investments in digital currency while banning their use as a legal tender. Now, since there is no such definition laid around public and private crypto, but the context here seems to suggest that public crypto resembles central bank digital currencies, also known as sovereign digital currencies, and private currency refers to Ripple, Tron, Bitcoin, etc. Now, it was already in news that RBI is going to release its digital currency by December. But there is widespread fear also that blanket ban may be extended on the rest of the cryptocurrencies, but that may not happen. So Now, some of the industry experts have also said that cryptocurrencies have already been regulated across leading economies such as US, UK, Singapore, and Japan, and some of the countries have already changed their economy to the cryptocurrencies, the small nations. But these regulations will also lead to earnings from crypto, attracting both direct and indirect taxes, which is required by the government. And crypto assets may be taxed according to capital gains rules and may attract GST too. Now we need to see or wait and watch till the bill is introduced in the parliament and it becomes a law, and then we'll know the finer details, and then only we can comment further. With this, I am finished. Thank you.